Right, hi everyone, I'm back. Now I don't think I need to hold the camera too far up, it's like straining my neck. I'm going to show you how to do another flower. This time using Grosgrain ribbon, and I've got some gorgeous pink Grosgrain ribbon here. So let's get the camera down. So as you can see, I've got this pink Grosgrain ribbon. It is 1.25 inches wide, and it's gorgeous. I love working with this kind of ribbon. I'm just going to move those out of the way. Make sure we've got this straight. And all I have to do is I'm going to do about a 2-inch wide petal. Maybe a little bit. Well, let's to put a bit of a gather in it. Yeah. That's about 2 inches, I think. So we need 6 petals. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They don't have to be perfect at all. Let me just get that right. Let me just lift this up a little bit and you can see. Leave that to one side. Now what you do is, I'm going to fold each one halfway across the ribbon. You're just going to cut it so you've got that. So fold it halfway across the ribbon or halfway up. And like I said, they don't have to be perfect at all. That's it. That's all you need to do. Then we're going to need a needle and thread, so I'm just going to change the colour of the thread. I do have some pink here. I'm not sure if it's strong enough, this one. It's not usually one I use. But we'll double it up anyway. Oh, I hope that's not my computer just cut out because I'm trying to upload a video. I've just heard it keep restarting. There's something wrong with it. But I do have one on order, so which has been a huge expense. Now, all we have to do is we're going to sew across the bottom section like that. Go to the next one, do the same. Now you can do these 3, 4, 5 and 6 petal and then layer them. It's up to you, whichever you like the best. So I'm going to try it with 5 petals first because I can't remember whether this looked better with 5 or 6, to be honest. I think I did a 6 and then a 4. But we'll see. Yeah, I think it was a 6. Let me just check it when I've done it. Right. They all need to face the same way. You need to get the end. 6. And as you can see, they're really quick, very quick to make. Now you can turn them all the same way once you've got these two ends done, so you need to stitch the two ends together. Like that. Pull it in and then just stitch the two together. Hopefully that will hold. Like I say, it's only a cotton thread, that one. Now, that's got a darkness on it, so I'm going to cut that off, because that isn't what I was after. Throw that bit away, and then just do that again. Again, this is another beautiful flower, as you can see. So I'm going to turn that upside down, and we're going to put a felt base on it. These are so quick and easy to make. Pop that on. Once it's on, you can then manoeuvre your petal where you want it to be. Now, I could, if I wanted to, put another layer on that, but I actually don't want to do that. And I made this one earlier, which I'm going to sit in there. But what I'm going to do first is to use the flat-headed pincers and bend. I did have it bent there, but I want it bent further up the stem there. And then what I'm going to do is to poke that in here. Put enough glue in there to sit that like that, and then open this up like that. They could have been a little bit longer, I suppose, but I'm not fussed. That's fine with me, and I'm happy with that. Really quick flower. Don't you think they're nice? They are really pretty. And there you go, that's another flower done. They are so easy to do. I will be back tomorrow to do some more. I hope you try the vintage bow, because they are gorgeous. Just beautiful. And don't forget to do the flowers. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.